It was literally like a 5-minute drive from where I was going. This is very clutch. Thank you, God. I'm here. This is my Airstream. So, it's getting a little dark out here. This is the Airstream that I'm staying in. Did I tell y'all I was staying in the desert? Well, now you know. Let me give you guys a little tour. I am currently on the tip of Yucca Valley. I'm right by Joshua Hill. I wanted to stay in Joshua Hill, but when I booked this, I thought it was in Joshua Hill, but it's not. But it's okay. There's a lot of hills here anyway. But as you can see, I'm super high up and it's freezing out here. Like, it's probably in the 50s, but this wind is insane. Pretty secluded. You can see homes over there, and then there's a little house there. I'd like to give you guys a better tour like when it's light out, but I'm just gonna give you a tour now. This is what my Airstream is looking like. It's a little bit cold in here. I just turned the heat on, so it should warm up. But I have some food here. I went to Whole Foods earlier to grab some things when I was in Santa Barbara for dinner. I just grabbed some like pasta and sauce, something easy because I'm only here for one night. So I'm probably gonna cook soon, or maybe a little bit later. I'm not that hungry right now. But I have my drone. I wanted to fly it tonight, but it's so windy that I'm really scared and it's getting dark. So I'm gonna hold off until tomorrow. I'm gonna finish getting the stuff out of my car and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. I made some pasta, something super easy with just plain marinara, no meat. I'm not super hungry and it's like 6:15 and I never eat this early, but I feel like I'm gonna go to bed early because I plan to get up early. I might go for a little hike tomorrow and I'm gonna fly my drone, get some really good footage. But there's 2 TVs in here. One here, one in the bedroom. It's actually really cold back here. I have the heat on, but I guess it takes a while to kind of circulate through the entire Airstream. I have this stove on right now just to kind of get it warm in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat and then I'll probably head to bed. So, I'll catch y'all in the morning. Later. Check out this beautiful view this morning. Obsessed. Excuse my messy place. Love it. It looks absolutely amazing out here. It's very chilly. I don't know why I have this on, but I'm gonna take some pictures and play with my drone because it's not windy this morning, so I'm gonna do that. I think it's only like 7:30 right now. I've been waking up so early because of the time difference. I just wanted to show you guys what was provided in this little Airstream. So in the bathroom, we've got all different types of little conditioners and soaps, which is so cute. A towel and a washcloth. I brought my own, but it's definitely provided. And then, I'm not sure if I showed you guys this, but there's games in here. And then little drawers if you need them. A broom, more towels. And then there's like an overhead bin with extra blankets. The cabinets have like dishes and stuff, extra paper towels, seasonings here that were provided, and then this overhead, more dishes and a few more seasonings, which is really nice. So yeah, nice little view this morning. It's still pretty cold. It's so windy still. I'm going to Palm Springs today. I'm basically in Palm Springs, but I'm going to a hotel in Palm Springs today. And I'm just hoping that it's a lot warmer because I want to go swimming and stuff. And I haven't even really been to the beach, which is crazy. I've just been on the go. We'll see what's on the agenda today. I don't really have a specific plan. I'm just kind of going with the flow for the rest of the trip. And I'll be stationed in Palm Springs for the rest of the trip, which will be nice because I feel like I haven't really been sleeping much. Do you want to ride some ATVs? That would be really cool. I feel like I haven't done any like super adventurous things. I've just been sightseeing and going to different cool hotels. I'm probably gonna like pack my things up and head out because I want to check into the hotel a little early. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. I'm actually gonna fly my drone for a little bit. All right, bye. Just arrived at my hotel, and my hotel is called Arrive. This is what it's looking like. Let me give you guys a tour. So I think I might go down to the pool for a little bit. Either that or there's some bikes that I could ride. I'm a little bit tired. I might take a nap. We'll see. And I kind of want to ride ATVs today, so I'm gonna look some stuff up. All right. So I'm at the pool. I didn't bring my vlogging camera down, but well, this is a hot tub. It's super hot. Scenery is so nice. I'll take my drone out and show you guys. Guys, it's kind of late. I'm like half sleeping, but I had to come to In-N-Out Burger. Even though I don't eat beef, I'm here to get fries for the experience. Here we go. Hopefully they're open inside, otherwise I'm gonna have to just order from my car. Good morning. So last night my In-N-Out fries were very basic. I've had better fries in my life. Nonetheless, it was an experience. Today I'm up early getting ready to go ATV riding. I'm gonna go see some houses. Palm Springs is known for its amazing front doors, so I'm gonna show you guys front doors that are amazing, I guess. And then I'm gonna go ATV riding, and I was gonna go to the beach, but the beach is kind of far, so we'll see what happens today. Okay. Pretty warm today. Yesterday it was kind of cold. I am going to try to get some pictures with some scenery before I show you guys the amazing doors that Palm Springs has to offer. Let me just show you this area where my hotel is. Look at the mountains, y'all. These houses are gorgeous. I would love to just have a home over here. It's just amazing to wake up to these mountains. Today is my last adventure. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm driving to San Diego to drop off my car and to fly out of San Diego. I really won't be able to explore because my flight is at noon. So that doesn't really give me much time because San Diego is about 2 hours from here. So I'm going to try to do the most adventurous things before I leave. I literally have seen like no guests at this hotel. I probably saw like one other person, but mostly just staff. It's very slow because of COVID. So I'm having a great time. So everything is pretty much ranch style. gated community. Nothing is really 2 floors. Rentals. This is the scenery. Super dope. So basically you ride at your own risk. You rent one of these for about $40 per half an hour and you can just free to ride. So I am prepared with my little face hovering so I don't get no dirt in my mouth, and I'm getting ready to go. So from here on out, I'll probably just use my GoPro. I might use my drone a little bit, but yeah. I'm super excited. Good morning. Today I am going home, sadly. I'm headed to San Diego to drop off this car and catch my flight from there. I had such a wonderful experience. I've had the best time of my life. Even though I didn't stop at every place that I intended to, it could not have been more perfect. I'm just so grateful that I was able to travel. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys one last drone shot of the area that I'm in. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey as much as I have. It's time to go. So long. I'll catch you guys in my next vlog.